pdfToolbox allows you to find specific text on a page of a document, and that can be very helpful either to find specific pages in the document or to find an area where you have something. And it uses regular expressions, or can use regular expressions. How does that work? Well, I have a document here, and this document, when I go to page 3, at the bottom of the document, it has a page number. And what I would like to do is find these page numbers and do something with them. Okay. I made a process plan for that, and that process plan consists out of 2 steps. And the second step is really only there to show you what the result is. And we'll start with the first step. And the first step is the pre-flight check that I talked about. So let me zoom into that. The check is called text on page, as you can see, and it allows you to search a specific area of the page or the full page. And because for this document we know where the page number is, I've specified the coordinates of the search area. Yeah? The smaller the area, the easier it becomes for pdfToolbox to find exactly the text that you're looking for. Now, remark that before pdfToolbox 16, you would have had to enter the exact coordinates by hand. In pdfToolbox 16, you have this nice little button here that allows you to mark that area with the mouse. But the important thing here is the regular expression that we're using. And I will zoom in just a little bit more, and that shows you that we are looking for the word page followed by a blank character, a space character, followed by 1 or more decimal numbers. That's what we're doing here. So decimal number as in a number between 0 and 9, and a page number can be 1, but it could be 12, so I can have 1 or more. And then you see these brackets that are around the page number. These are optional. You don't have to put them there. When you put them there, that is a search group, as it is defined in regular expression language. And the search group allows pdfToolbox to return just the page number that you're looking for, and it can make the script that you're using afterwards a little bit easier. So let's look at the script and look at what the actual pre-flight check is going to do. And then you can see that I don't have much here. The only thing I have is I look at app.doc.result, and then at the result of my first check, checks 0, and then at the hits, which are the objects that were found, and then at triggers. And triggers is the information that the check found for those hits. And currently that gives me an error. Why? Well, I am looking at app.doc.result, but there has been no pre-flight, and so pdfToolbox doesn't know what to show me. I can fix that. I have this little thing here at the somewhere around the middle of this dialog, and I can say find page numbers, and by doing so, pdfToolbox actually runs the pre-flight for me in the background, and now I do have an app.doc.result. And so the search results are here at the bottom. What does pdfToolbox give me? It gives me details, and those are, for this check, the rectangle where that text was found. It tells me what the check was that we ran, and then it tells me the value, page 1, so that's the full text that was found. But because we use these brackets around part of the regular expression, it also gives me a RegEx groups. And in that area, RegEx groups, it returns the values of every area where I have brackets. So I can have more than one of those. And in my case, the brackets were around the page number, so I immediately get the page number. And if I now want to do something with it, it is very easy because it's right there in the trigger value. There's a lot more you can do with regular expressions. There are websites that can help you and books that can help you with regular expressions. But using these regEx groups is really interesting sometimes, And this shows you a short example of how to do that.